What if I told you that every colorful jelly cup you eat goes through a high-tech process you've never seen before? Welcome back to Process Insight, where we take you inside the world's most fascinating factories and reveal how everyday products are really made. Today, we're stepping inside a modern jelly manufacturing plant to uncover the complete journey of fruit jelly, from farm to final packaging. It all begins on farms, where fresh fruits like strawberries, oranges, mangoes, and grapes are carefully grown and harvested at peak ripeness. Timing here is everything. If fruits are picked too early, they lack flavor. Too late, and they may spoil quickly. Farmers use precise techniques to ensure only the best quality fruits are selected. These fruits are then packed into crates and prepared for transportation. This is where the journey of your jelly truly begins. Once harvested, the fruits are transported to the factory in refrigerated trucks to maintain freshness. As they arrive at the facility, each batch undergoes strict quality inspection. Experts check for size, color, ripeness, and any signs of damage. Only fruits that meet high standards are approved for processing. The rest are rejected, ensuring consistency in taste and quality. This step is crucial because even a small compromise here can affect the final product.
Next, the fruits enter automated washing systems where they are cleaned thoroughly using high-pressure water jets. This removes dirt, pesticides, and any impurities. After washing, the fruits move on to sorting lines, where advanced machines and sometimes human workers separate them based on size and quality. Only perfectly cleaned and sorted fruits move forward in the process. Now comes the transformation. The fruits are crushed and processed into a smooth pulp using industrial crushers and pulping machines. Seeds, skins, and unwanted fibers are removed, leaving behind a rich, flavorful fruit base. This pulp is the heart of the jelly. It defines its taste, texture, and quality. The fruit pulp is then transferred into large mixing tanks. Here, key ingredients are added: sugar for sweetness, pectin or gelatin for structure, natural or artificial flavors, food-grade colors for that vibrant look. Everything is carefully measured and controlled. It's not guesswork, it's science. The balance of ingredients determines whether the jelly will be too soft, too firm, too sweet, or perfectly satisfying. Once mixed, the solution is heated in large industrial cookers. The temperature is precisely controlled to activate the gelling agents and blend the ingredients into a uniform mixture. During this stage, the mixture thickens and develops the smooth consistency we associate with jelly. Too much heat can ruin the texture. Too little, and it won't set properly. This step requires absolute precision. After cooking, the hot jelly mixture is cooled slightly before moving forward. It then enters a degassing system, a process that removes trapped air bubbles. Why is this important? Because bubbles can ruin the appearance and texture of the final product. The result is a clear, smooth, and glossy jelly base. Now comes the fun part: shaping the jelly. The liquid mixture is poured into molds or cups using automated filling machines. These molds can create different shapes and sizes depending on the product design. From small jelly cups to larger blocks, everything is formed here with incredible precision.
Once molded, the jelly is left to cool and set. During this time, it solidifies into its final form. If the product is made in large slabs, it is then cut into smaller pieces using automated cutting machines. Each piece is uniform in size and shape, ensuring consistency in every pack. Before packaging, every batch goes through a final quality check. Machines and workers inspect texture, color, shape, cleanliness. Any defective pieces are removed immediately. Only the best products move forward, maintaining brand quality and customer trust. The finished jelly is now ready for packaging. Automated machines seal jelly cups with airtight lids to preserve freshness. Labels are applied, including important details like ingredients, expiry date, and batch number. Everything is done at high speed, but with precise accuracy. Finally, the finished jelly is now packed into cartons and stacked onto pallets. These pallets are then transported to warehouses and distribution centers. From there, they are shipped to retail stores across the country and even internationally. And that's how jelly travels from farms all the way to your table.
Next time you open a jelly cup, you'll know the incredible journey behind it, from fresh fruit to a perfectly crafted treat. If you enjoyed this inside look at the jelly manufacturing process, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating factory tours. This is Process Insight, and we'll see you in the next one, because every product has a story, and we bring it to life.